Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional health coach and a nutritional therapist, and I upload delicious healthy recipes, nutritional and lifestyle tips every week. If you are new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to be notified when a new video goes live. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite morning smoothie recipes. And it's a smoothie that actually keeps me going for approximately 5 to 6 hours, no kidding. And because I hear a lot of complaints from you when you're trying to switch diet from to more of a plant-based diet, that one of the things that's quite challenging is to keep yourself satiated. So I'm going to share the recipe for that exact reason, so that you can see that it's possible to be satiated on a more plant-based diet. Okay, this is an incredibly refreshing smoothie that contains hazelnut milk, but you can use any other non-dairy milk you like almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk. I also add half an avocado for the smooth texture and the healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats in our diet ensures that we stay satiated for longer and also feeds our brain. Then I add cucumber, as it adds a refreshing touch to the smoothie, and for its antioxidant properties, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber-rich foods keep us full for longer and manage our blood sugar, as I have mentioned quite a few times. For additional fiber and also to incorporate omega-3 fatty acids, I also add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And my last ingredient, which I always incorporate in my smoothies, in unflavored collagen protein powder. Collagen is a protein that exists in our hair, eyes, nails, and skin, but as we grow up, its production is decreasing. So I add some extra to help my body stay stronger and healthier for longer. Collagen is not a vegan protein powder. For a vegan option, you can use unflavored vegan protein powder. I have included some options for you in the description of this video. Blend all the ingredients for a couple of minutes and enjoy. For those of you that would like the smoothie to be a little bit more refreshing, then add a couple of ice cubes and that will do the magic. Guys, if you like this recipe and if you liked my dress, this is how I wake up every morning making smoothies, yes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment on the section below, share it with anyone you think will find it useful. And I would like to stay in touch. I also have a Facebook group where we support each other, where we are the accountability buddies for one another. So do join that if you want support in your health journey. And guys, I will see you in the next episode. Bye.